Okay guys, next problem. Ryobi generator doesn't want to stop. It's impossible to stop it. When we turn control knob to the stop position, nothing happened. Like this. And when we are using smartphone application to stop generator, this happens. We have to open this cover to fix this problem. 2 bolts T15 here and 1 bolt inside of the handle T20. But we can use T15 screwdriver to unscrew this bolt as well. When generator is running, this electrical switch is off and this electrical circuit is open. When we turn control knob to stop generator, this control knob pushes switch like this. To connect these 2 wires together. If generator doesn't want to stop, probably we have problem here with this electrical system, connections, etc. I got this problem after 500–600 hours of running. And I tried to check for these wires, connections, and I found that one wire here bends very easily. Brand new generator has 2 small heat shrink tubing here and here. So I removed them and I found that this wire broke here, I think during the vibration. And to fix it, I just renewed these 2 connections with soldering iron. If you can't find any broken wire here, probably there is a problem with switch, or maybe you can check for all this electrical system from switch towards beginning of the wires. I've never seen any information about it, so probably this is very rare problem of the Ryobi generator. Thanks for watching, guys.